Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make taco red sauce. First, you'll need to select your dried chilies, such as ancho and guajillo, along with ripe tomatoes, garlic, and onion. Begin by toasting the dried chilies in a dry pan for about 30 seconds per side until fragrant. This step is crucial for developing their rich, complex flavors. Afterward, soak the toasted chilies in hot water for 15 to 20 minutes to soften them. Once your chilies are rehydrated, it's time to prepare the other components. Sauté 1/2 of a medium onion and 2 cloves of garlic in a tablespoon of oil until they are soft and fragrant. Next, transfer the softened chilies, sautéed aromatics, and 2 medium-sized ripe tomatoes to a blender. Add about 1/2 cup of the chili soaking liquid to help achieve a smooth consistency. After blending, strain the sauce through a fine mesh sieve into a saucepan. This removes any tough chili skins or seeds, ensuring a wonderfully smooth texture. Bring the sauce to a gentle simmer over medium-low heat. Let it cook for at least 20 minutes, allowing the flavors to meld and deepen beautifully. Taste and adjust the seasoning with salt, a small pinch of sugar, and a 1/4 teaspoon of ground cumin. Your incredible homemade taco red sauce is now ready to enjoy. It pairs perfectly with any taco filling, adding a burst of authentic flavor. Remember, you can store any leftover sauce in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 5 days, or freeze it for longer storage. Don't forget to check the description below for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals. Thanks for watching and happy cooking.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.